Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set camera timer on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on camera. When you move on camera, you can see here. So this is the photo, right? So just click on this three line on the side. When you click on it, the second option, the 5 second, 3 second and 10 second, you can select the 5 second. Then let's try to click some pic, and here you can see 4 3 2 1 and capture the pic, right? You can set the camera timer like this, and if you want to off, again click on this three line, then click on this watch type, okay, the symbol, and it will be set off. Try to click photo, it has been captured. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.